Good morning. Good morning, children. Before watching this video, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. In previous classes, we learned what are the rational numbers and their operation. Today, we are going to learn properties of rational numbers. First property, closure property. First property is the closure property. In closure property, first taking natural numbers in addition. 3 plus 2. Adding to natural numbers, then the 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 2, 3, 5, these are all natural numbers. Closure property is true for addition in case of natural numbers. Then go to whole numbers. Adding to whole numbers, that is 2 plus 0 is equal to 2, 2 comma 0 comma 2, these are all whole numbers. Closure property is true for addition in case of whole numbers. Then go to integers. Minus 2 plus 3, it is equal to 1. Minus 2, 3, 1, these are all integers. Closure property is true for addition in case of integers. Then next go to subtraction. Natural numbers. Difference of the two numbers 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1. These are all natural numbers. Closure property is true for subtraction in case of natural numbers. Then go to whole numbers. Difference of two whole numbers, that is 0 minus 2 is equal to minus 2. Closure property is not true for subtraction in case of whole numbers. Then next go to integers. Difference of the two integers, that is minus 2 and minus 3, that is equal to minus 5. Closure property is true for subtraction in case of integers. Then go to multiplications. Integers. Multiplying two numbers, that is 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Closure property is true for multiplication in case of natural numbers. Then go to whole numbers. Multiplying two whole numbers, 0 into 2, that is equal to 0. Closure property is true for multiplication in case of whole numbers. Then go to integers. Multiplying two integers, minus 2 into minus 3 is equal to 6. Closure property is true for multiplication in case of integers. Then go to division. Natural numbers. Dividing two numbers. 2 divided by with 3, that is equal to 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is a rational number but not natural number. Closure property is not true for division in case of natural number. Then go to whole numbers. Dividing two whole numbers. 2 divided by 0, it is equal to 2 by 0. 0, division of 0 is not defined. Closure property is not true for division in case of whole numbers. Then go to integers, dividing two integers, minus 2 divided by with minus 3, then answer is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is not an integer, it is rational number. Closure property is not for division in case of integers. Then go to rational numbers closure property in addition. Consider two rational numbers, that is 2 by 7 and 5 by 8. 2 by 7 plus 5 by 8 is equal to 2 by 7 plus 5 by 8 is equal to LCM of the 7 and 8 is equal to 56. 2 by 7 multiplying with 8 by 8 plus 5 by 8 is multiplying with 7 by 7. Then 16 by 56 plus 35 by 56, that is equal to 51 by 56. Since 51 and 56 are integers and 56 is not a zero, hence 51 by 56 is a rational number. The result 51 by 56 is again a rational number. Taking another example, 8 plus minus 19 by 2 is dash. Is it a rational number? 8 plus minus 9 by 2 is equal to 8 2s are 16 minus 19, that is equal to minus 3 by 2. It is a rational number. Two by 7 plus minus 2 by 7, is it rational number? 2 by 7 plus minus 2 by 7 is equal to 0. 0 is a rational number. Then 2 by 7 plus minus 2 by 7 is a rational number. We observe that sum of any two rational numbers is again a rational number. Thus, we can say that rational numbers are closed under addition. Hence, a plus b is a rational number for any two rational numbers a and b. That is, for all a comma b belongs to q, a plus b belongs to q. Q means rational numbers. This symbol is called belongs to. This symbol is called for all. Then next go to subtraction. Consider two rational numbers 2 by 7 and 5 by 8. 2 by 7 minus 5 by 8. 2 by 7 into 8 by 8 minus 5 by 8 into 7 by 7. LCM of the 7 comma 8 is 56. 2 8s are 16 by 56 minus 5 7s are 35 by 56. 16 minus 35 upon 56, that is equal to minus 19 upon 56. Again we got number minus 19 by 56, since 19 comma 56 are integers and 56 is not a zero, hence minus 19 by 56 is a rational number. We observe that subtraction of any two rational numbers is again a rational number. Thus, we can say that rational numbers are closed under addition. Hence, a minus b is a rational number for any two rational numbers a and b. That is, for all a comma b belongs to rational number, a minus b belongs to rational number. Then next go to multiplication. Consider two rational numbers that are 2 by 7 comma 5 by 8. 2 by 7 into 5 by 8 is equal to 2 5s are 10, 7 8s are 56, that is 10 by 56. Again we get 10 by 56. Since 10 comma 56 are integers and 56 is not a zero, hence 10 by 56 is a rational number. We observe that product of any two rational numbers is again a rational number. Thus, we can say that rational numbers are closed under addition. Hence, a into b is a rational number. A into b is a rational number for any two rational numbers a and b. That is, for all a comma b belongs to rational number, a into b for all rational number. Then go to division. Taking two rational numbers, that is 2 by 7 comma 5 by 8. 2 by 7 divided with 5 by 8, that is equal to 2 by 7 into 8 by 7. Here changing the sign, that is divided by into multiplication. 5 by 8, multiplication of 5 by 8 is equal to 8 by 5. We learned already in previous classes. Multiplication of numerators, that is 2 into 8 by 7 into 5. 16 by 36, 35. Consider two rational numbers 2 by 7 comma 0. 2 by 7 divided with 0 is not defined. Thus, collection of rational numbers Q is not closed in respect of division. Closure property for all numbers. Closure property is satisfying for, in addition, natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers. In addition is satisfying. Now, rational numbers is satisfying addition, subtraction and multiplication. In addition, natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and rational numbers is satisfying the closure property rule. In multiplication also, natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and rational numbers all are satisfying under rule of closure property. In division, natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and rational numbers are not satisfying under closure property. In subtraction, natural numbers, whole numbers are not satisfying, integers and rational numbers are satisfying in closure property. Thank you, children.